Hello beautiful sis, hello mamas. This today video is for you. It's for you specially because today we'll be talking about self-care. Like it does not take a million naira to take care of yourself. All you just need to do is to take action. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're talking about motherhood self-love. If you're new here, welcome. Ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do well to like this particular video, share with friends and family, and do well to drop me a comment in the comment section. And to every regular mamas out there, I celebrate you. So like I said earlier that we're talking about self-love today, I just want to give you a gist of one or two things that have happened to me lately that I just did not take lightly. The first thing is that I was having ache on my feet. The ache has been there for a while after I gave birth to my second child, which it will be a year in the month of August. But whenever I sit down to breastfeed, I will be feeling the pain. And once I try to stand up to start walking around the house, the pain will be so much that if anything hits me on that leg, I will nearly cry. I will be begging my husband almost all the time, help me to this leg. He did it with hot water, he did it with the rub and all that, but there was still no relief. At that particular day, I just have to tell him, please, I want to go to the pharmacy. And I went to explain to the pharmacist, and immediately he said, oh, it is some nerves that are dead already weak, that I need to get some medications to take care of it. I think he called it neuropath. I'm going to put it somewhere in this video so that I'm going to read about it. Probably one or two person is facing that same challenges. You'll be able to handle it. See, some things are not attacks. Some things just need you as mothers to take action. Sincerely, I will still tell myself that if I have chance, I will go and appreciate the pharmacist over and over and over. Because I just felt like probably I've sat down for so long, probably blood does not circulate well to that particular area. But I said no, that some nerves are there that they are weak, that I need to take some medication to boost them up. And believe me, the particular tablet he gave me to use worked like magic. He only gave me pain relief for me to take in the morning and in the night. Then he gave me one that's particular for that. It is for me to use it once in a day. Neurofort. I will put it on the screen. The first night I took that particular medication, it was as if it was the medication that put the pain there. I cannot stamp my feet on the floor like this. I will almost cry because of the pain. What changed the trajectory? What changed the story? I took steps. Though my husband had been helping me to do it one way or the other, but I saw that there was no difference. Once I woke up in the night, for me to put my leg on the feet, I will sometimes be afraid because of the pain that will come from it. I took steps and I take care of myself in that space. I said I'm going to share one or two of these things I've passed through in these few months, and I'm happy I'm doing this now. That particular one was gone. Flashback, or let me say playback to 2021 while I was pregnant of my first baby. My legs were swollen to the point that my toes were so intertwined that you can hardly separate them because the toes were big, the feet was big. So this made me develop a particular wound in my leg, which till now I don't know the name. They just told me that it's a fungi, bacterial infection, this and that. I had to avoid the water. Like 2 or 3 of my toes in between them become whitish, and it should come like it become whitish, and sometimes it brings pains to my leg. Then I went to the hospital while doing antenatal back then. My doctor was saying that it is because of pregnancy, it's going to grow this and that and that. I gave birth, this thing did not go. My son clocked 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, it did not go. I was pregnant of my second again. It continued, then it moved to in between my fingers. one of the fingers. Then normally as a woman you put your hand inside water. They begin to tell me that I should avoid putting my hands inside water. And before then, I had to go and look for something. I went to buy it. Myself and my husband, you have to drive through before we got it. You have to go and get a particular thing. Let me try to get it if you can see it. Myself and my husband, due to the pain during that time, we have to go and get these things. I think it's those people that do nails that uses it, because we are trying to look for it everywhere. Most of them, it is the one they're using to work they have. So it was one place we got this. So I'm to put it to separate my toes in the night when I want to sleep. I have to put it to separate my toes and then when I want to sleep. That was when I was pregnant of my first, and I was using it. Suddenly it developed to be in my fingernail, in between my fingers. Then the pain was much because I had to cook, I had to do things. My leg, I have to beat. One way or the other, you put your leg inside water. But all they were advising is that I should keep my leg away from water. I should keep my hands away from water. How will I do that? As a woman, tell me. Is it possible? It's possible. Please put it in the comment section. Because I found it difficult. Sometimes I will not wash the dishes because I don't want to put my hand in water. Not even talk less of dishes now. You have to put into some water that are not clean. Then I avoided that sometimes. I just I have to continue my work. I suffered that for a time because they were giving me some tablet then and also some cream which did not work. There was no improvement. It's only that it will reduce the pain for a while and it will continue. But there was a day I took it up upon myself. I think around March. I took it up upon myself and said, this pain in this finger, it has to go. This thing is irritating because I put my hand in water almost every 3 hours. I do things with water. Then I went to this same pharmacist and that was my first encounter with him. This particular cream. So I explained to him, he saw it, he said, okay, I should get this particular cream. And he gave me the cream. The cream worked like magic. It was as if it was the cream that put that in there. And before then, I've used several creams. The one they gave me in the hospital, the one I bought for myself from one pharmacy to the other. There was no relief, there was no improvement. But when I went to meet this particular pharmacist, I told him this and that. He just gave me that particular cream. It doesn't cost much. He gave me, I applied it to it. Within 3 days, everything disappeared, both the one on the feet and the one in between my fingers. Then I began to wonder that, what if I did not take step and I believe what they said, that the fungal bacterial infection, or what did they even call it, that it will not go. I just have to continue to apply stuff on it. And I've been applying since 2021. There was no cure till 2025 March thereabout. I was shocked. I said, so if I actually take my health more serious than this, then there will be great results. This is a reminder to you watching me out there, be it a man or a woman. All I'm trying to do in this video is to encourage you to take steps concerning that issue you're having concerning your health. They say health is wealth. It is. Even our children at home, once they are sick, even we as the parents, we feel it, because that particular place that you have kept so neatly, there's nobody to help you rearrange it well. You know what I mean by that. But because they are sick, then there are limitations to their activities. We miss them in that their non-activity period. It is essential for you as a woman, even as a man, for you to take care of yourself. And the third thing I will share in this particular video is that I do take supplements. Do you know that I did not really used to think about this before now? All I know is that when we were planning our wedding, my husband was telling me during our courtship period I should ensure that I'm taking coal liver oil. If you're in Nigeria, you will know what coal liver oil is. A tablet. Some are made with omega-3, some are made with olive fish or something like that. Whatever, you just go to the pharmacy, just tell them you want to get coal liver oil. I was buying them then, before we got married. I was using them just one in a day. Then I remember when we were planning our wedding, my mother-in-law insisted that I get well woman. I did not know anything about this thing. All of me I was taking during my period of preparation for wedding was that I was taking folic acid, which I still advise people to do. I was taking folic acid 1 in a day. I'm not a medical practitioner. This is a disclaimer. I'm not a medical practitioner. I'm just sharing my own experience on 1 or 2 things I have come through in life, and I'm able to see results of myself. So I'm not in any way a medical practitioner. I'm recommending anything to anybody. Just trying to share 1 or 2 things I've learned one way or the other. During the preparation of our wedding back then, my mother-in-law ensured that I get well woman, which I took. My husband to be then, my husband also took well man. Well man, there's well man, there's well woman. So he took it, I took my own, and along the line in the marriage, yes, it's the one that I really recommend this. It's not like he's a medical doctor or anything. It just felt like, yes, he used to get results when people use supplements. Then I began to use it again. After giving birth to my first, I stopped using it at a point. Then suddenly we pick it up again. I think I used a particular product that when I was using it, there was a great difference on my skin, on everything about me. Supplements goes a very, very long, and they're not expensive. You can see the cheapest. Just go to the pharmacist and tell them that you want a supplement that can help you rejuvenate, that can help your body system. They will give it to you, whichever one you can afford. Taking supplement as a woman goes a long way, even as a man. My husband has his own supplement, I have my own supplement, children have that supplement. It goes a long way, and I've seen several people also have supplements, and you can tell on their skin that yes, they are using supplements. It's very, very important for us as a woman to take care of ourselves. Just like I shared in my live one of my live videos, and I was saying that I took my son for immunization, and when we got there, it was unusual for them to be doing BP for everybody that comes in. Then the matron stood up and was explaining the reason why they were doing it. She said that I live in Lagos, Nigeria, so she was explaining that the rate of hypertension is high in Lagos State, so they are trying to reduce it by making sure that they check and encourage everyone to check their blood pressure. The government is encouraging and employing everyone to check their blood pressure per time and also their sugar level to avoid some unseen circumstances in their health, which have affected some in the journey of life. So the appeal today is that, woman, take care of yourself. It doesn't cost much. It just costs you to take charge. It just costs you to take steps to where they can help you. Ensure to check up on your health today, and ensure you try to get a supplement for yourself today. Ensure you take care of that thing that is causing you pain in your body one way or the other. Don't say it's normal. Don't say it's childbirth that caused it. Go to the hospital and confirm. After the confirmation from the medical practitioner, if they said yes, it's because of childbirth, then you go back home. It's better for you to seek knowledge than just to stay there and not try to know how things work. So I think that is all I'll be sharing with you today. So sometimes just take time off the children and go and take care of yourself. It is very, very essential. Once you are ill and healthy, then you'll be able to take care of those children properly. Do what to take care of yourself. Do what to find one thing or the other that can help to boost your immune system and keep you up and doing. Because I even remember when we are pregnant also, there's a particular tablet we used to use. Most pregnant women will know. If you know it, please put it in the comment section. That your doctor somehow might not recommend for you. They will recommend that you should take folic acid, calcium, and Bico or something. They will say that you should take that. But that particular one, most women take it. We see the results, right? But they will not tell you to take it in the hospital because they think it's expensive and not necessary. But people that are taking it are seeing the results. I took it for my first, I took it for my second, I took it for my first, I took it for my second. I have several friends that are taking it and I will still take it by God's grace because it's working. We can see the difference between those people that take it and those people that do not take it. If you know that particular supplement, or let me say medication now, put it in the comment section. And also put in the comment section 1 or 2 things you do to take care of yourself. Maybe you have a time off to go and make your hair in a particular time of the month, or you have a time to just go shop for yourself, or you go out, or you have special time for you to go out there to do your manicure and pedicure. It is very essential for you to take care of yourself so that you'll be good for yourself, number one, you'll be good for your husband, number two, and also you'll be good for the children, and vice versa. If it is the man also, ensure to take care of yourself. Take care of yourself, daddy. Daddy, take care of yourself. Mommy, take care of yourself. Everyone is gonna be fine. Sisters, take care of yourself. In your waiting period, take care of yourself. And I know that everything will be fine. This is just a little chat from me to you. Also, before I forget, also learn to take water. Drink enough of water. It regulates your body system. It helps you. Take enough water. Dehydration affects the skin. Dehydration affects the organs in your body. Yes, take enough water and you will see the difference. Take enough water and you will see the difference. See, to take care of ourselves sometimes does not require so much. See, if you take carrot also, it helps because I've been able to experiment this in my little boy. It takes more of carrot and some other things. Then I can see his skin. His skin is having a different tone. If you see most of the cream we use, go and check it. Carrot is part of the ingredients. Carrot is very good. It is very, very good. Please do well to take time off to take care of yourself. Go and check your vitals. Know what is happening in your body system. Ask the medical people what is right for you to use for yourself to be better. And you will surely see that there will be a difference after now. Please do what to put up in the comment section 1 or 2 things you are doing to take care of yourself as a mother, as a father, as a sister, as a brother, that you think you want to share for other people to learn, just like I have shared few of mine that I can remember now. Yes, so please ensure to drop it in the comment section. Share this particular video to one woman out there, to one man out there that you think needs to hear this today, and ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done that. See you again later.